Hi guys, welcome to Divine Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare anchovy or Amudi fish masala. So let's begin. At first, take 250 grams anchovy or Amudi fish. Add a little bit salt and turmeric powder for better cleaning and then wash it off with water. Now take a pan and add about 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. Turn the gas on medium flame and add some garlic cloves and fry them. Add 1 finely chopped onion, add 3 green chilies, after a while add 1 chopped tomato. Now add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, two teaspoon coriander powder and 1.5 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger paste and add salt as per taste. Now add a little bit water to cook the spices. When the oil separates out from the spices, you will know that the spices are cooked. Now add the fish pieces and mix them well. Now add about 1 cup water. Then add some coriander leaves. Now cover the pan and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and it will be ready to eat. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.